Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic of obstetrics is multiple pregnancy. In this lecture, we divided it into 5 sections, and in the first section we will talk about the overview of multiple pregnancy. And we will talk about the classification of multiple pregnancy, etiology and epidemiology, and also care of women with multiple pregnancy. In the second section, we will talk about what are the complications of multiple pregnancy, how the patient will behave with multiple pregnancy, what are the different physiological changes that occur in the multiple pregnancy. And also we will talk about the preterm delivery and twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome that usually occurs in twin pregnancies. Then in the second section, we will also talk about the perinatal mortality and fetal growth restriction. Then in the third section, we will talk about the monochorionic twin pregnancy. What's the twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome? In this section, we will talk about twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, little in detail, what is it and how it can be managed. What's the staging and treatment of twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome? And then we will also talk about what's twin anemia and polycythemia sequence. In the fourth section, we will talk about the anti-care or antenatal care of the twin pregnancy. And in this section, we will specifically talk about what are the different screening tests performed to test for twin pregnancy, and also what are the different anomaly scan and growth assessments of twin pregnancy to find out the fetal well-being, what are the different screening tests that should be performed. Then in the fifth and final section, we will talk about the delivery and management of the twin pregnancy, and if it's more than the twin, like higher multiple pregnancies, higher order multiples, then how we can manage those pregnancies and how we can treat and how we should deliver the multiple pregnancies. So all this will be covered in our today's lecture, which is multiple pregnancy. So to learn about this topic, keep watching sqadia.com.